Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm artist Rabia from Dunia Rang Rangili. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create strap pattern in Illustrator. We are going to make seamless horizontal strap pattern and vertical strap pattern and diagonal strap pattern. So open Illustrator and let's get started. We are going to start with horizontal stripes. Using rectangle tool, create your first stripe. Fill the color yellow. Change to the selection tool by holding Alt button, drag it down. Also press Shift to position this. Now change the color of second stripe to yellow to white. Hit OK. Select both of them and group them by selecting Ctrl G. This will be your first pattern tile. To create a pattern, just select both these shapes, go into the object, pattern and make. As you want to have the seamless pattern, so just press done and make a copy. You can see here is appear in the swatches panel. So now select this swatch panel, select this swatch pattern and draw any shape. You can apply it to any of the rectangle, also to a circle. See. Now I am going to show you how to create vertical seamless pattern. Select this shape. I'm going to rotate it by pressing on transform, rotate and 90 degree, hit OK. Drag this into the swatches panel. Guys, now let's test it on a rectangle tool. I'm making a new rectangle. You can see this. Like this you can make any of your seamless patterns, whether horizontal or vertical. This is all for today. I will show you tomorrow how to make the diagonal patterns. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Stay connected from anywhere in the world.